Kuala Lumpur is a futuristic and modern city, but underneath these skyscrapers lies the neighborhood of Chow Kit. They tell you not to come here as a tourist, and even some locals avoid this place. Is this place really as bad as they say it is? Let's find out together. Hello guys, can I ask you, people say this is like a dangerous area, I need to be careful.
Oh, because this one area not safe lah. You just careful.
It's not a safe area.
This one area okay, but other people are problem.
People are a problem. Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you guys. Thank you. I'll go check out the market. Thank you guys. Okay. So you heard it right there, guys. It's a little bit on the sketchy side.
This guy is dangerous.
He's a danger. This is why they tell you not to go to Chow Kit. Why is he dangerous? What is going on here? So avoid this area because of this man right here. Dangerous man. Okay. Look at that, guys. So the whole area is okay, but just avoid him in Chow Kit. He's a dangerous guy.
Dangerous man.
Yes. Why is he dangerous? What did he do? What are you hiding? The abs or what? Ah, you got a tattoo? Okay. Well, nice to meet you guys.
I am playing girl. You want follow me to playing girl? Playing girl.
Playing girl? What does that mean?
Red house. You know red house?
No idea.
Ah yeah.
It's a game or what?
No.
No.
It's a girl. The girl. Itu ping pong.
Ping pong.
Ah yeah, that's right. In Thailand. Ping pong show.
Okay. I like boom boom. Okay.
Ping pong.
Oh, he's very good. He's got practice. Look at that. Lots of experience. Okay, next time. Maybe next time. Okay. Well, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Awesome people here. Look how awesome this is, guys. The ice cream man has rolled up. So in Canada, we have ice cream trucks, but here they have a motorcycle over here with ice cream, and all the kids running out from their house to buy ice cream. And that's the ice cream song right there that he's playing, that people hear, and they run out of their houses. I have fond memories of this as a kid, whenever the ice cream truck would go by in the neighborhood. Just the amount of excitement when you hear that tune. I'm sure it's the same for these kids. Oh, here we go again. There's so much durian here, guys. Look at this. This entire shop is filled with durian. I think this is just a durian place. Look how many people are buying durian and all sorts. Oh, it smells terrible. Check it out, guys. This is the Chow Kit Market. This is where the locals come to do their grocery shopping and all sorts of vegetables. And I mean, the floor, when you walk on it, it's very slippery. It's just, it's grimy. Hello, bro. Hello. Look at this friendly man right here. Hello, guys. What's your name? Oh, you're friendly and then you get shy. There we go. Awesome. Very friendly people here, guys. Okay, thank you guys. Good luck. Hello, sir. Look at this. All sorts of chicken. Everything chicken.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Everything is fresh here. Like,
Fresh today.
when was this chicken killed?
5 o'clock.
5 in the morning. But it's very good, very fresh. Okay, good luck, sir. Thank you. Awesome, look at that. Holy crap, look at the size of that thing. Yeah, I don't know about... Oh, they're fighting. Bro, you're not scared of the rats? There's so many.
So very...
Up 2. They're above 2. No, you're joking. Where? This man's scaring me. There's rats up above. Do they bite? The rat bite? They do bite? No. Okay. Who knows? I might be the first one. I'm from Canada. Yes. What about you, sir? Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia. Which part?
Aceh, Sumatra.
Sumatra. Okay, the island is Sumatra. Okay. Very nice. I come from Indonesia. Before this, I was in Indonesia.
Bali.
Bali, Jakarta, Yogyakarta. I went everywhere. Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'll go explore. I don't know if I should be going here deeper, guys, because if I go in, I gotta also come out. But according to him, they're up in the ceilings as well. Imagine if one of them jumps on you or falls by accident. I'm not saying it's malicious or evil. Maybe it is, but imagine if it just falls. Okay, we're not gonna go deeper. Let's get out of here before we get attacked by a rat. I don't know which way to go, guys. There's 2 of them right there. Definitely more. I know there's a family that likes to live over here. Yeah, I am terrified, guys. Okay, good luck, sir. Thank you. Look, there's a huge one right there. I don't know if the camera is picking any of this up, guys. I'm not joking here. There's so many. Look at him. He's just hanging out. That's like his dinner table or something. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna get out of here before I get bit and get rabies or something. Because wow, this is not normal for me, guys. Look at this. They're breaking down a building here of some sort. Guys, what was this before?
Market.
It's a market. Okay. And why is it breaking down now? Why break?
Change to parking. Car
Parking.
park.
Okay, good. We need more parking lots.
Yeah.
It's good. Okay, good luck, guys.
Okay.
Take care. And look at the contrast here, guys. The market that we went to was just down there, maybe a 2-minute walk from here. And right beside the market is the Hilton. But yeah, such awesome, friendly people, guys. There were smiles everywhere. People laughing, having a good time. Very proud of their work. I don't know about dangerous, but it's definitely gritty. Check it out. This is the local market. You can get jeans here for 7 RM. What is that? $1.75 US for some jeans. These ones are 13. Now look at the contrast here, guys. They've got these umbrellas up top, sort of like you'd see in any touristic street anywhere in the world. The umbrella street of Kuala Lumpur. Yeah, and this is, were there more umbrellas here before?
I think
More before. And what happened to them?
rain and
Rain.
Yeah.
Okay. So in the past, was this like a tourist place or local?
No, local.
Okay. Even with the umbrella for local too.
Or view.
For view. Okay.
I think some tourists come here and take a picture.
Take picture. Yeah.
Before this.
Okay. Good luck, bro. Yeah. Take care. Check it out. Local, ordinary people. Probably just coming back home from work, going to their neighborhood. Yeah. This place really is just filled with local people, guys. I don't know why it has this reputation. Now look, is it very nice? No, but I wouldn't call it dangerous, that's for sure. Hello, sir. People tell me that this area is not safe.
Safe.
Do you know why?
It's main road work. No, only. Yes.
I don't go on like the side
No,
streets.
It's straight.
Okay.
Main road area.
What is in the side street?
It's problem. Many problem.
Really?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Like,
This drug addicted.
okay.
People.
There's like drug addicts
And
and
people.
okay.
You straight road, no problem.
The roads are fine.
No fight.
Okay.
And as well, people, many people.
Yeah.
No problem.
There's no problem.
Just road problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. So there you have it, Chow Kit. I came here looking to see if the reputation was true. And sure, it's gritty. There's a lot of rats running around. There's a lot of garbage. There's drug addicts in the alleys. But here's the raw, honest truth. Despite its reputation, I felt safer walking around here today than I did in Paris, in New York, in Chicago, any European city, any North American city, including in Canada. Locals might not be very proud of this place, but if you look behind the grime, you see normal, everyday, hardworking people just trying to live, just trying to survive. It might be rough sometimes, it might be raw, but it's very real. Exploring Chow Kit by myself was intense, but honestly, it was nothing compared to exploring Kuala Lumpur on my very first day here without any internet, without any cash. Click the video on the screen to see how I survived my first day here completely blind. I'll see you there.